If you've recently upgraded Windows 10 to version 20H2, you know that the control panel is now something you really can't get a hold of anymore. I've seen a lot of talk about getting it back, but in order to do so, you have to type something into the run box and then typing in some great big number, as you can see here. There's a much easier way to always have access to the system control panel, and I'll show you how that's done. Let's start by opening up the search box and then simply type in control, and it's already there. See it up on top? It says control panel. This is what we're trying to make easy to get to. Instead of clicking on it, which opens it, do a right click on it, and when you do that, you have a couple of options. One is to pin it to the start menu. The other one is to pin it to the taskbar, and that's the one I'm going to select, pin to the taskbar. Once that's done, you'll notice that down here, I now have the control panel, and when I click on it, it opens. Of course, we want to see more than just this, so simply go down where it says categories, and select small icons, and here are all the things readily available to you in the control panel. The nice thing is when you close this, it's not gone because it's still sitting in the taskbar, and anytime you want it, just click it and it reopens. It's that simple, that easy. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.